Friends, I am Shrikant and we'll discuss market based on technicals. We have seen the market between the broader range of 5600 and 5800 in last say like couple of days. Till the market is not breaking the level of 5600 on a closing basis, we can always keep a target of 5900 to 6000 on the higher side, and 6000 is the ultimate target that we are expecting in next say like few weeks or few months. And there we have to be very much cautious, because the current up move is still a pullback in the nature and it will somewhere halt around 6000 levels, but still there is a ample scope of say like moving towards 6000 levels, and 300 points are there. So the strategy should be to again look for buying on declines, and the levels like 5650, 5600, and in case if there is say like any major drop in the say like world markets or say like because of currency, we may see the levels of 5550 or 5560. But on all these levels, our advice is to look for adding long positions, especially into frontline stocks, and in that we are focusing more and more on say like capital goods, infra stocks and PSU banks. No doubt private banks have also shown a great amount of say like interest in the current rally, but we are focusing more on PSU bank because they are still under owned, and at each major supports we will see a fresh buying into the stock with a medium to long term view. And in that space we are looking for say like Bank of Baroda, PNB and State Bank at each major supports. Out of say like private banks, Yes Bank is the top pick to add on declines. Karnataka Bank has given very strong breakout, so again the stock is by somewhere around 120, 110 levels with a stop loss of say like 100 on the downside. Out of infra pack, we are looking for IVRCL Infra, NCC at current levels. Larsen is no doubt it's a top pick. BHEL is again managing at 240 levels, so from here 290 can be possible. Out of say like metal pack, interestingly we are looking for Hindalco, and the overall pack is showing a lot of say like strength, but still it is below the breakout level. So unless and until the sector is not breaking out of say like specific level, we cannot see a major activity. But we are of the view that in the near term we are going to see a good amount of rally in the out of say like metal pack, and Hindalco is our top pick. Sterlite is the second best pick to look for. Out of say like pharma and FMCG, we have to be very much stock selective, and in that space Ranbaxy, Cipla are the top picks to buy at current levels. Out of FMCG, Lever is no doubt showing say like lot of say like strength at these levels, but on declines somewhere around say like 540, 550, it's a strong bet, certainly not at current levels. Out of auto pack, no doubt Tata Motors is the only stock to look for, but at the same time Hero Honda is also a say like short term pick that we can look for, but with a tight stop loss at 1730 on the downside, and we can expect 1900 on the other side. We are seeing the stock range bound between 1900 and 1700 on the downside. Bajaj Auto is a strong pick around 1700, Maruti around 1250, 1260. Out of say like other than this currency, if we go through with the trend of currency, then there also the trend is say like of consolidation, and the bigger range is 5350 on the higher side and 5130, 5150 on the lower side. And one thing that we have to keep in mind is that unless and until the currency is not breaking the level of 48, we cannot expect multi-year bull run in the market. So we are of the view that the currency will spend a lot of time between this range, and we have to be say like seller at 5350 with a say like stop loss of 54, and we have to be buyer around 5190, 5180 with a stop loss at 51. Thank you.